Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of Sparkplug. So this is going to be the second part of our lamp assembly design. So if you have missed the first part, don't forget to check the link of that video in the description below. So what we are making, let me just show you. So we are making this lamp here, beautiful lamp assembly. So for till now we have completed all the base and this frame and the cup holder. Now only thing left is to make this wire, the glass, and the filament, or the filament and the glass, of course. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So press shift and N to enable the colors. Now what I'm going to do is I will be making the bulb, of course. So for that, go to create a sketch, and on the center plane, of course, we will be making a sketch. So just hide the bodies for now, like this. Yeah. So move a little bit here, draw one horizontal line like this, and start by making some sketches like here. So for that, press line, and somewhere here draw upwards a line like this. Just draw a profile like I am drawing, so like this and this. Now press D for dimension, give this a dimension of 14 mm, and this one a dimension of 18.5, like this. And the angle between these two is going to be 135, and this dimension, just delete this, press D again, and this dimension is going to be 11 mm, like this, and this one is going to be 1.5, like this, and this dimension is going to be 6 mm. Of course, it will automatically assign it. Now once done, go to finish the sketch, click on revolve, select this profile, and axis would be this. This is going to be our new component, and press OK. Now once done, press F for fillet, select this line, and give this a radius of 0.8 mm, and again go to fillet, select this one, and repeat the same 0.8 and press OK. Now once done, go to create, go to thread, select this face, and select any profile that you want the type of. I'm going for the GB pipe threads, like this. Remember it to be molded, and press OK. So what we have a beautiful thread structures here. Now again go to create a sketch, and on the front plane again we will start by making some lines. So again draw one horizontal line like this, passing through the center of this profile. So press P for project and project this line like this, and draw a line, draw a structure like I am doing here. So from this point, draw a line like this and join it here. Press D for dimension, length is 27, and this point to this point, this is going to be 5 mm in distance. So the next thing is to again draw a line like this, and this. Press D for dimension. This is going to be 2.3, and this is going to be 4, like this. Now again make a line, half line here like this. Press D for dimension, and this for this is going to be 7.5. Now draw one more line here, press D for dimension and make this 4.5 mm long, and from this point to this point make it 6, like this, of course. And now go to fit point spline, select this point, and this point and press OK. Now go to parallel, select this control point and this line, so make it parallel, and this line and no, just undo it. Okay, make line like this from here, right click and click OK. Now this is going to be parallel relation with this one. No, not equal. Go to parallel relationship between this profile and parallel relationship between this profile, so we have a beautiful curve like structure here. Now again draw a line from this point straight towards this, like this, and press D for dimension and make this as 40 mm long, and the dimension between this line and this line, this is of course going to be 1.4. Now once done, what I'm going to do is make another line like this and make another line in center like this. Press D for dimension and from this point to the outer line make it 3.5 mm, and the length of this line is going to be 2.5 and length of this line is going to be 1.5, like this. Now once done, again go to fit point spline, select this point and this point and click OK. This time just we don't need any dimension, just make it a little bit more curvature, make it parallel like this, and leave this part of the line as it is. So once done, you may finish the sketch. Now again go to revolve, select the profile, select all these profiles that we have just created, and the axis of rotation would be this. This is going to be our join operation, and press OK, like this, of course. Again go to create a sketch, and on the front plane again start by making a circle somewhere here with a dia of 0.35. okay, 0.4, make it 0.4 mm diameter, like this. This is very small, of course. Press D for dimension and press L for line and draw a horizontal line from origin, like this, and press D for dimension, and from this line to the center of the circle make it 7.2 mm, like this. The dia is of course 0.4 mm and the distance from this face to this one is going to be 79, like this, and you may finish the sketch. Go to revolve, select this, and axis would be this, make it a new body and press OK. Now what I'm going to do is, now the next thing is to make the filament. So for that, click on create a sketch, and again on the front plane we will start by making some sketches here. So for that, what I'm going to do is just click P for project and project this profile here. Now what I'm going to do is click make a line just on center of this profile like this, and click on slice to slice it like this, and click P for project and select this circle and press OK. Now what I'm going to do is, we will be creating some sketches. So for that, click on line and make a line like this. Press D for dimension and give it a dimension of 34 mm like this, and then go to create, go to point and make a point here. Press D for dimension and draw a one line from origin that will act as a center line. So make a line like this from center, of course. Press D for dimension. From this point to this line, give it a dimension of 10.4, and from this point to this point, give it 6.5. Now make it 4 like this. Again, go to fit point spline, select this point, and make third point would be somewhere here. Okay, let's make it 6 like this. Make it parallel, and from this point just change there is absolutely no dimension here, you just need to change it like this, and make this as, right click on this and click on this and make it vertical. Make it vertical like this. Now once done, make sure that this line comes right on center of this line, just like here. Once done, delete this line. That line was just for reference. Now this is our line. You can change the orientation like this, and you may finish the sketch. Now what I'm going to do is, go to create, go to pipe, select this. The dimension would be join, and the section size, that means the dia is 0.35 like this, and press OK. Now we have a beautiful structure here. Again, go to create, go to pattern, go to circular pattern, and this is going to be our features, and from the timeline select the pipe as the feature, and axis would be the default axis, and the quantity would be 8, and press OK. Now the next thing is to make the filament. Press create done sketch on the center plane, of course, like this, and bring back the last sketch you have drawn. This one was the last sketch that we have drawn. Now click on project and project this line here and press OK. You may hide this body for now, as we don't need it right now. Again, click make a line. Okay, remove project and select the sketch entity as this one. Okay, I don't know why it's not selecting. Okay, let's make it like this. Draw a line like this, don't project it. Okay, just hide. Okay, I have made the sketch hidden. So what I'm going to do is just delete the projected line, select on it, delete it, bring back that sketch. Now what I'm going to do is, go to coincident, select this line and make it coincident with this point. Now again press D for dimension. From this point to this point, give this a dimension of 2 mm, and from this point to this point, give this a dimension of 2 mm. Now once done, you may finish the sketch. Now we have a beautiful line here. So just hide the previous sketch and bring back the body. Just hide the body for now. Go to create, go to pipe, select this line, and this time the section size, the dia will be 1.1 mm. Bring back the body and operation would be join like this. Go to fillet, select this edge and this edge, and the radius will be 0.05 like this, or make it 0.1 mm. Let me just change it, make it 0.1 mm. I think this is also too less. Click on feature, yeah, 0.25 would be okay. Now again repeat the same step. Go to create, go to pattern, go to circular pattern, go to features and select the pipe and the radius, and the axis would be this one. This time also make the quantity as 8, press OK. Now we have one body here. Now go to combine, select this body with this body and make it a new component, and hide this body. We have a new component here. Now bring back all the objects that we have created earlier. Now the only thing left is to make the glass out of bulb. So for that, again go to create and go to the first the plane, of course the bottom plane, and we will start by making some points. So first of all, make a line, make a construction line from origin, make it construction mode and draw a line like this. Create a point on this line and give it dimension from this surface as 113 mm like this, and again click on line. This is going to be our construction line as well, and press D for dimension and give this a dimension of 30.5 like this, and from this point to this one, this is going to be 88 mm, and this. Now click P for project and project this circle right here and press OK. Now we have a line here. Again go to fit point spline. From this point to this point, just hide the undo the construction mode to this point, make a line like this. Okay, let's repeat it from this point to this point and to this point, and OK. Now decrease it like this and make it parallel to the line we have projected. Now decrease this like this, press D for dimension and make the dimension length of this line as 3.5. make it small. Now click on, select this line and make it vertical like this. Once done, click on lines, select from this point to this line, so that, and just hide the rest of the component for now, so that we may have a close sketch. Place line from this point to this point and we have a close sketch. Finish the sketch, bring back the previous body. This is going to be our revolve. The axis would be the baseline and the operation would be new component, and press OK. Now we have this is the bulb that we will be making. So right click on it, go to right click and click on opacity control and make it 10% to make it transparent. Okay, this is 2, so go to, let's say, 70%. So this is going to be our bulb. Now just hide this component. We are going to make it hollow. So for that, now to make that hollow, just hide this for now. Now what I'm going to do is go to shell, select this body, the inside thickness, make it 0.5 mm thick, and or just make it 1 mm, just make it 1 mm thick inside and press OK. Now go to extrude and extrude cut a hole on this so that we may see the thickness here. Now just hide the body. So we have the whole filament and we have the bulb here. Now go to assemble, go to rigid joint between these two components and press OK. Now if I just move one component, the other will move automatically. Now just hide the origin like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to assemble this to the center of this. So for that, go to joint and for the position, click on the center of this and snap it to the center of this. So it will automatically be assigned. Now click on the right view and drag it upwards like this and press OK. Okay, something is wrong. I need to delete this rigid group joint. Okay, just edit the joint and make the motion as sliding and press OK. Okay, something must be wrong, so just delete both of these sketches. What I have done wrong here, just undo it like this. Now what I have done here, basically when I created the joint, instead of moving the bulb filament to the holder got moved from here to here. So what I'm going to do is right click on the holder and click on ground. Now it won't be able to move. Click on joint, snap to the center of this bulb and snap to the center of this point. Right click, go to the right view and drag it upwards, and this is going to be rigid joint and press OK. Now we have a bulb in the area. Now again we need to move it little bit more upwards, so just move it more upwards like this, and now we are done with the bulb. Now the only thing left is to make the wire. So for the wire, of course, go to create the sketch and select on this plane, create a hole, one hole here. Well, we don't need any, we don't need any dimension for that right now. So this hole, the whole hole would be of 8.5 mm dia, and press enter, and location is not necessary, so just draw one hole here and extrude cut it through the body and press sketch and press C for circle and make another hole here of dia 8.5, make it in the center. We don't need any dimension here, plus sketch and just extrude cut here. Now again go to construct, go to access through cylindrical cone, select this one and create an axis in the center, and right click drag upwards and repeat here. Now again go to construct, go to point at center, so select a point here, right click drag upwards to repeat the command and select a point here. Now repeat the same for the here, select and drag upwards, make a point here, and again construct axis through cone and plane, make a line here. What I'm going to do is we will be making a wire. Okay, let's just hide the joints for now. Go to sketch, select any plane you want, rotate the view and click on 3D sketch. Now go to spline. From this very point, select the point we have created and start making a sketch in 3D. So rotate this line like here, go towards here and go little bit bottom, and again on this point, again just rotate it. This is without having any dimension, you just need to create a 3D sketch. And select this point, and the another one would be here, and the another one would be here, and press OK. Now I'm going to give some constraints. So the first constraint is going to be parallel. So select this line and this axis to make it parallel. Now the another constraint would be from this point, so make it parallel like this. The third one would be from here, so make it parallel to this one like this, and you may finish the sketch. Now to modify the sketch, of course, click on move command, select the sketch as sketch face, select this point and move it upwards. You can drag it like anything you want, it is all up to you. For example, I want it to be moved like this, and press OK. Now once you are satisfied with the sketch, go to pipe, select this. This is going to be our new component, and the dia, the section size would be circular and dia would be 8, and press OK. So this is the wire that we want. And also, if you just bring back the sketch from here, if you want to modify anything in the sketch, it will automatically be modified to the wire. So for that, for example, if I just press on move and select this point and drag it upwards or drag it downwards, what it will do, it will automatically change the shape of the wire. So for that, let me just shift this point towards here, yeah, like this, and press OK. So we have a wire here. Again press move. I am going to change this point also. Yeah, this looks fine. Now just hide all the sketches, bring back the bulb here. Now I'm going to give it some appearances. So for that, again press shift and N to disable the color, automatic color generation. Now press A for appearance and wait for the appearance toolbar to open. Now it's up to you guys to apply whatever appearance you may like. So for that, click on body and component. We will be going to some paints, and we will be using some metallic paints. Let's say the base would be of green color, the frame would be of blue color, the top portion would be of green color, and the frame, for the frame, let's say we want it white. Okay, once done, for the wire, of course, we will be going to leather and cloth. Let's make it some fabric appearance. Okay, yeah, so you can see that it got now a beautiful fabric appearance here. As for the glass, we will be working to glass, smooth, and here are the different color of the glass. So we will be going to clear glass like this, beautiful. And now just hide the glass for now, because we will be doing the filament. So for the filament, go to metal, go to brass or bronze. I am going to make it a polished brass. No, the bronze will look good, so make it polished bronze like this, or you can choose any from copper. Okay, let's go to copper. Polished copper would be nice. And as for the filament, this item needs to be glow. So for that, click on faces, because we will be providing the light on the uh, faces. So for that, just let me just search where are they. Yeah, the go to other, no, not this one. Let me just check. Go to miscellaneous. Miscellaneous comes with air, gemstone, foam, emissive. Yeah, here it is, the bulb and all the different LED lights. So let me just go to with the 50 ml white, and make sure the face is selected and every face should be given one light. Okay, I don't know why it's not working. Okay, I don't know why it's not working. Let me just check. Maybe there's a glitch in the application. Again, go to create appearance by pressing A and make it a face. So zoom it little bit and let's go to this one. I don't know why it's not applying. Maybe there's a glitch in Fusion. Yeah. Okay. This face got selected, but I don't know why not the rest of the face is getting selected. Let me just try it one more time. Okay, so definitely there's a glitch in Fusion 360 cause one of the filament enlightened, but rest of the are not. So just bring back the glass here and let me just go to display and switch the environment to dark sky. That will be looking great. So there's a glitch. I think you guys can manage that easily. It's just the appearance that requires to glow the filament. So hope you guys will enjoy the video. Please comment any queries and suggestions for my upcoming videos, and don't forget to share and subscribe. So hope you guys will enjoy. Please comment any queries and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.